Hey everybody, Jennifer from Tarle Speech with your pronunciation question. Today's question is, how do I pronounce variations of the word progress or to make movement towards a goal? So let's go ahead and take a look. Let me put my notes down. So we have the word progress, and progress is the noun, and we're going to stress the word progress, the progress. We're going to flip that, and if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know there's a pretty general rule that works most of the time, that when we have a noun, we're going to stress syllable one in a two-syllable word, and when we have the exact same word that's pronounced slightly differently, when it's a verb, we're going to stress syllable number two. So again, syllable number one in the noun progress, and in the verb progress. So we're going to stress the gress. So to stress something, you're going to make it a little bit louder, the vowel a little bit longer, and the pitch a little bit higher than the other syllables in the word. So we have progress and progress. Progress, progress. Keep that in mind that we're going to be stressing that second syllable when we add a lot of these suffixes onto the word. So when we add the ing, I think where people get confused is this adds an extra syllable. So we have progress, progressing, progressing. But then when we have this ed, you do not add an extra syllable. You're just going to add a t to that second part of the word. If you're interested in more about this, I do have several lessons on adding that ed ending to the words. So we have progressed. So progress, progressing, progressed. Last, we have progression, and I forgot to underline this, and we are going to stress that same syllable because it's a syllable right before that shun. Progression. And I think also people get really confused because of the spelling, and we are going to end this word in shun. So again, stress syllable number two, and then stress syllable number two and add an extra beat with the ing, stress syllable number two, and just attach that T sound to that second syllable, and then still stress syllable number two and end with shun when we see those two S's there. Okay, let's give it a try. So we have progress, progress, progressing, progressed, progression, progress, progress, progressing, progressed, progression. Sorry about that. This is like a tongue twister. One more time so I can get it correct. Progress, progress, progressing, progressed, progression. To make progress, you must progress through the lessons. Give it a try. I know people are going to notice the difference. If you found this helpful, please share us with your friends and give us a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out our products on Google Play and iTunes, and we will see you again next week.